what do we have here? Some nice chrome looking wheels. They look alright, but they're in here for a reason. They're not just here because nobody wanted them. They're here because somebody decided to put fix-a-flat in one of them. But this is what happens to your chrome when you put fix-a-flat in it. And they were perfectly good wheels. Well, not anymore, but when you put fix-a-flat or that flying stuff on your wheels, the chrome starts chipping off. So I don't recommend putting fix-a-flat in any wheel unless it's an absolute emergency. But as you can see, these wheels are totally lost. They're not worth anything anymore except for scrap. But this will happen to all types of wheels, not just 15s or any of them. It will happen to your nice 24s, to your 17s. Just